Hi folks, I'm back out here with the Hatfield single shot shotgun. Did a little video on it not too long ago, and today we're going to try some double aught buck. This is some stuff I've hand loaded. It's going about 1,400 feet per second. It has 4 pieces of double aught buck in each load. I'm going to be shooting at some wood blocks. This thing just totally annihilates these blocks. So I hope you enjoy. Might give you a little second thought on how the little old wimpy 410 cartridge is. So let's go ahead and let's shoot these 3 blocks and see what happens. As you can see, it annihilated the first 2 pretty good. The third one it did okay with, but didn't do what it had been doing all day today. But you can kind of see this isn't just a little old wimpy shotgun. It can definitely, or that load's not a wimpy for a 410 shotgun. But as you can see, that would definitely be some pretty powerful stuff at 15 to 20 yards is what we're shooting. Couldn't think that much could survive something I shot that close with this. Well, thanks for watching.